So dear student, now as I am discussing you the list implementation of the list, now I'll show you one program, another program based on the implementation of a list. Okay, so here this is what the multiples of 5. 5 multiples it will going to display. So 5 multiples it will going to display multiples of 5 in a list. That means if the thing is divided by 0, that you will going to give some values. Based on those values it will going to search that the values are multiples of 5 or not. Isn't it? That you can change this particular thing, you can make it, I'll come to that, how you can do the particular changes in a program. So as you can see it, that whether multiples of 5. Okay, I'm closing this one. Multiples of 5, suppose now you have to give some values in that list item. What are the values is required, those the values you will give. Suppose let us give the values, that will be clear to you. From there you can see also. Okay, let us 5, then 16, then 50, then 44, then 67, then 75, then suppose 12. Okay, then I am giving here 85, then I am giving 90. So enter. So it has extracted the values which are divisible by 5, completely divisible by 5. That means how you can do, see now the logic, what the logic has been given, that if that's the function I have given, you are now aware of the function. Def function 1 function has been given. Inside the function 1 counter C has been given here, and based on that, what for I in list has been given here. If I divided by 5 equals to 0, this is the major thing. Okay, this is the major thing. If I divided by 5 equals to 0, that means there should not be any reminder, then the counter will going to increase. Else the counter will not going to increase. So taking the counter again, it will check that what is the position of the counter. Counter is greater than 0 or not. If the counter is greater than 0, then it will say that there are this many number of multiples of 5 are there, or no such multiple exist. Okay, so this is the thing what you will going to find, that particular structure will be this. Okay, now instead of 5 you can give here 6, you can give here 2, you can give here 10, anything whatever you want. Now what the change, only is a simple change you have to make. In place of 5 you have to give that number. Suppose you want 2, that you have to write in 2, and this one you have to make change. Okay, so instead of multiples of 5 it will become a multiples of 2. So similarly 6, 10, 12, 13, 14, 20, whatever the number you want you can give, but this is the basic logic. Okay, this logic will not going to change anyway. The logic will not going to change. You have to concentrate that how you are implementing your logic. What is the logic? That for I in list, what list? If I divided by 5 equals to 0, suppose I divided by 6 equals to 0, I divided by 10 equals to 0. Whatever the logic you are giving, based on that particular logic, what you find it, what will be conducted. So what is doing? I am passing the list value in this fn if. Okay, inside the function fn, I am passing the value of ev. Clear? So this is how you can do the particular multiplication, that the numbers are multiples of a particular number or not. If a question comes that find out or display the multiples of 5 in a list. Okay, in a list which numbers are the multiples of 5, or multiples of 12, or multiples of 10, multiples of 13. So this will be thing, only the change is that what it has been asked you, you will change this particular 5, instead of that number you will going to put it here. So this is the way how you will going to make the different changes of the thing. Previously I have shown you how to change the odd even and even odd. So similarly here also you will going to make this change, and after doing the change you will going to get the particular perfect output of the number. Okay, so this is how the calculation will be proceed, and this is the loop. One is a for loop, inside the for one if loop for checking it, and outside one to check the c, that what is the value of c. Outside the if one loop I have defined, that is to check the